father passed away in an accident. Poor family. A mother with 2 children to care for. Worried about the future. Starts a street vending business to make a living.
Dr. Naing, who is introduced on LoadMama, is actually a stray cat named Seo. She is one of the cat friends I have been taking care of for a long time. I rescued her after her friends died on the street while she was pregnant. Are you curious about what happens after the intro story? You can see the connected story in Mama Mission. The child is embarrassed by his mother who sells on the street. He wants to see his late father. It's like a drama, so you have to watch it until the end. Heartwarming. To solve all of this, you have to work hard at the game. Mama must level up to activate the skill.
구글 플레이 앱스토어에서 로드마마를 검색하세요.